In today's tech-driven world, AI health gadgets like the Apple Watch Series 9, Fitbit Sense 2, Whiting's Body Scan, and Omron Heart Guide are making headlines for their ability to revolutionize personal health. These devices, created by leading brands such as Apple, Fitbit, Whiting's, and Omron, are transforming how we monitor and manage our well-being. Let's explore how these real-world gadgets are putting advanced health technology right at your fingertips. The Apple Watch Series 9, for example, uses advanced AI to monitor your heart rate, detect irregular rhythms, and even perform ECGs, all from your wrist. Available directly from Apple's website or major electronics retailers, it's a powerful tool for proactive health management that fits seamlessly into your daily life. Fitbit Sense 2, made by Fitbit, is another standout. It tracks stress, sleep, and heart health using AI-driven sensors and provides personalized recommendations through the Fitbit app. You can purchase the Sense 2 on Fitbit's official website, Amazon, or in most electronics stores. The Whiting's Body Scan from Whiting's is a smart scale that uses AI to analyze body composition, track heart health, and even monitor nerve activity. It syncs with the Whiting's app for detailed insights and can be ordered from whitings.com or major online retailers. Omron's Heart Guide, a wearable blood pressure monitor, uses AI to track your blood pressure trends and alert you to potential risks. It's available through Omron's official site and select pharmacies, making advanced heart monitoring accessible at home. These gadgets don't just collect data, they use AI to spot patterns, predict potential health issues, and provide early warnings. For example, the Apple Watch and Fitbit Sense 2 can detect irregular heartbeats, while the Whiting's Body Scan can flag changes in body composition that may signal health concerns. With AI, these devices can even predict health risks by analyzing subtle changes in your data over time. This empowers you to take action before problems develop, making prevention easier than ever. Many of these gadgets, like the Apple Watch and Omron Heart Guide, can flag irregular heartbeats or blood pressure changes, providing early detection of conditions such as atrial fibrillation or hypertension. You can find them online or in stores, making advanced health monitoring widely accessible. Devices like the Fitbit Sense 2 and Whiting's Body Scan also track breathing patterns and sleep quality, helping you identify issues like sleep apnea or respiratory distress. These insights are available through their companion apps, which you can download after purchase. These AI-powered gadgets can alert you to early signs of illness, sending notifications and recommendations straight to your wrist or phone. This means you can seek medical advice sooner, potentially preventing more serious health issues. All of this happens from the convenience of your wrist, your bathroom shelf, or even your smartphone. These devices are designed to fit effortlessly into your daily routine, making health monitoring simple and accessible. By 2030, experts predict that AI-powered health gadgets could rival or even surpass traditional checkups in some areas, offering continuous, personalized monitoring. You can buy these devices directly from manufacturers' websites, major online stores, or local retailers, making advanced healthcare more accessible than ever. The best part? These gadgets provide personalized insights 24/7, empowering you to make informed decisions about your health anytime, anywhere. With constant feedback and motivation, you can stay on track with your goals and make lasting lifestyle changes. Ultimately, these AI health gadgets help you make smarter choices before problems start, preventing illness and promoting well-being. By giving you the knowledge and tools to take control, they're paving the way for a healthier future. So, are you ready to embrace the future of healthcare and let AI lead your health journey? Explore the possibilities. Visit official websites, trusted retailers, or online stores to discover how these innovative technologies can help you live a healthier, happier life. The future of healthcare is closer than you think, and it's powered by the incredible potential of artificial intelligence. The Garmin Venu 3, made by Garmin, is a premium smartwatch that uses AI to provide advanced fitness tracking, sleep analysis, and stress management. Its body battery feature helps you optimize your energy levels throughout the day. You can purchase the Venu 3 from Garmin's website, Amazon, or major electronics retailers. The Muses Gen 2 by Interexon is a headband that uses AI to guide meditation and improve sleep quality. It provides real-time feedback on brain activity, heart rate, and breathing, helping users achieve better relaxation and rest. Muses is available on the official Muse website and select online retailers. TempTrack, developed by Blue Spark Technologies, is a wearable smart patch that continuously monitors body temperature and sends alerts to your smartphone. It's especially useful for parents monitoring children or patients recovering from illness. Temtrack can be purchased from the company's website and major pharmacies. Lumen by Metaflow Limited is a handheld device that uses AI to analyze your breath and provide personalized nutrition and metabolism insights. It helps users optimize diet and exercise for better health outcomes. Lumen is available for purchase on the official Lumen website. The Alive Core Cardiomobile by Alive Core is a portable ECG device that uses AI to detect atrial fibrillation and other heart conditions in 30 seconds. Results are instantly available on your smartphone, making heart health monitoring accessible anywhere. Cardiomobile is available on Alive Core's website, Amazon, and select pharmacies. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights on the future of health and technology. Join our community and stay ahead with the latest in AI-powered wellness. See you in the next video.